Dealing with a narcissist can be an emotionally draining and challenging experience. Whether it's a toxic partner, family member, or friend, the aftermath of such a relationship can leave you feeling broken and confused. But take heart, my friend.
Face some hard facts and you could have an incredible life.
It's time to regain your strength and rebuild your life. Here are 10 tips to help you recover from a narcissist and move towards a healthier future. Number 1. Acknowledge the narcissistic behavior. You need to recognize and accept that the person you are dealing with has some narcissistic traits. Now, why is this important? Understanding that their actions are a product of their insecurities and constant need for control can help you heal. It allows you to detach yourself emotionally from them and gain some perspective. Acknowledging their narcissism means you're not excusing their behavior or saying it's okay. It's more about understanding where they're coming from and realizing that their actions were not about you, but rather a reflection of their issues. Number 2. Establish boundaries. So when we talk about establishing boundaries, we're talking about setting limits and rules for yourself to protect your emotional well-being. So, why is setting clear boundaries so important? Dealing with narcissists can be challenging because they often don't respect other people's feelings or needs. By establishing limitations, you tell them what you will and won't accept regarding their behaviors towards you. It's like drawing a line in the sand and saying, hey, this is what I'm okay with and this is what I'm not okay with. Once you have a clear idea of your limits, it's essential to communicate them to the narcissist assertively. Number 3. Seek support. Recovering from a narcissist is not easy. It can feel incredibly isolating. That's why one important tip is to seek support. Think of it like having a team of people cheering you on and helping you through the tough times. When we say seek support, we mean reaching out to those you trust and care about. It could be your close friends, family members, or a therapist or counselor. These people understand you and your struggles and can offer guidance, encouragement, and a listening ear when in need. Number 4. Practice self-care. Self-care means taking care of yourself and putting yourself first for a change. After dealing with a narcissist, rebuilding your emotional strength is crucial. So how do you do that? Well, start by doing things that bring you joy. Engage in activities that make you happy and bring a smile to your face. It could be anything you love, like painting, reading, dancing, or playing video games. The point is to do something that makes you feel good. Number 5. Challenge negative self-talk. Narcissists are good at messing with your self-esteem and making you doubt yourself. They plant these little seeds of doubt in your mind, making you feel like you're not good enough or can't trust your judgment. But here's the thing. You can fight against those negative thoughts. One way to do that is by practicing self-compassion. That means being kind to yourself and understanding that you're only human. We all make mistakes and flaws, but that doesn't make us less deserving of love and respect. Number 6. Reflect and learn. Taking the time to reflect and learn from your experience is helpful when recovering from a narcissistic relationship. It means considering the relationship dynamics and paying attention to any red flags or patterns that allow the narcissist to manipulate and control you. Reflecting on these dynamics, you can better understand how the narcissist exerted power over you. Understanding these patterns is crucial because it allows you to avoid similar toxic dynamics in future relationships. Armed with this knowledge, you can be more aware of warning signs and make healthier choices regarding partners. Number 7. Rediscover your identity. One of the things that can help you recover from being involved with a narcissist is rediscovering your identity. You see, narcissists have this way of making you feel like you're not your person. They kind of squash your sense of self and individuality. But don't worry, you can take back control and reconnect with who you indeed are. Think about it this way. Before you got tangled up with a narcissist, you had interests and dreams of your own, right? Well, now it's time to rekindle those flames. It's time to rediscover who you are at your core and start pursuing your dreams with a fresh sense of enthusiasm. Number 8. Set realistic expectations. So one of the things you can do to recover from a narcissist is to set realistic expectations for yourself. And here's why it's essential. Healing takes time. It's not something that happens overnight, so patience throughout the process is crucial. You see, recovering from a narcissist is a gradual journey. It's like climbing a mountain, step by step. Along the way, you might face setbacks or challenges. That's normal. Accepting setbacks that can happen and not beating yourself up over them is essential. It doesn't mean you're failing. It's just a part of the healing process. Number 9. Forgive yourself. When dealing with a narcissist, it's pretty common to start blaming yourself for your choices while involved with them. But here's the thing. Narcissists are good at manipulating people, so it's not all your fault. The key here is to remember that you're human and that it's okay to make mistakes. So cut yourself some slack, my friend. Forgive yourself for any perceived errors and focus on personal growth and healing. Remember, you deserve kindness and compassion just like anyone else. Number 10. Embrace empathy and healthy relationships. Recovering from a narcissist can be challenging. Understandably, you might hesitate to get close to people again after such a traumatic experience. But here's the thing. You don't have to let your past define your future relationships. One tip that can help you out is to embrace empathy. That means trying to understand and share the feelings of others. It's about putting yourself in their shoes and being able to relate to what they're going through. By being empathetic, you can develop a deeper connection with others and build stronger relationships. Breaking free from the grasp of a narcissist is a courageous step towards reclaiming your life, setting boundaries, seeking support, and practicing self-care. Remember, you are deserving of love, happiness, and healthy relationships. The journey may be challenging, but with time and dedication, you can emerge stronger and live a life of authenticity and fulfillment. Remember, recovering from a narcissist is a process. Still, by taking these tips to heart, you'll be well on your way to reclaiming your power, finding inner peace, and embracing a brighter future. You've got this. Enjoy the content? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.